Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV W11 and today I will show you how we can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will bring up this window, letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded, and also you can add the show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent grayed out wherever your finger was pressing the display. Now, under the audio recording, we have three options. We have device audio, microphone, or both. Now, when using both, I highly recommend using headphones, as otherwise the device will record internal audio on the software side, and then once it comes out through the speakers, the microphone will pick it up for the second time, creating this unwanted echo effect. Now, I'm not planning to record any audio, but I will enable the touches just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. It begins a 3-second countdown and then begins recording with this awfully loud and obnoxious sound. So there we go. Whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Now, there is some limitations to it. For instance, some applications like Netflix will not allow you to record them, even though you haven't agreed to their terms of use, because who cares about you, right? Anyway, once you're done, you can just pull down your notifications, select stop, and this will automatically save your screen recording to your Photos application. Now, going back to the Netflix thing that I just said previously, this feature, if we can call that even a feature, is designed for your privacy and security, and it's primarily used, as far as I'm aware, most of the time in bank applications. And you can probably imagine how in bank applications it's nice that things like screen recording and screenshots are blocked, because if someone develops an application that tries to spy on you without your knowledge, that application just won't be able to capture anything, any kind of screenshots, any kind of video recordings when you're, for instance, putting your PIN. But where it doesn't make sense for your security and privacy is where your privacy is being taken away from you because Netflix decides to screw you and your privacy doesn't matter because we're going to block screen recorder because we want to. Even though you haven't agreed to terms of use, any kind of privacy policies, or logged in. So I just wanted to point that out, and I will take any kind of opportunity to shit on Netflix for this kind of thing. But I do want to be very honest, Netflix isn't the only one. Basically, every streaming application does that because they think that we as users will use screen recordings to create pirated content. Like, come on, Netflix, there are better ways to pirate your content. Anyway, with that being said, let's open up our Photos application, which is located in the Google folder. And from here, disregard the backup, here you'll find the Photos tab and also search. See what we have under search, nothing. So we do have categories in here, which might come in handy. So as you can see, in here we have also categories, screenshots, and movies. Unfortunately, screen recordings are located in movies. So later on, if you're trying to find your screen recordings, you will have to go through basically a catalog of any kind of videos that you've captured with the phone, downloaded videos, and obviously the screen recordings that have captured, which might get a little bit messy. Now, in here you'll find a bunch of categories like the movies and screenshot plus photos should be visible here, but I don't have any. So if you're trying to find your screenshot later on down the line, you can just press on the movies tab itself, and this will take you to the catalog itself. And obviously from here you can just start scrolling down till you find what you're looking for. Now for me, I only have one screen recording and video, so it's pretty easy to find. So as you can see, there's the screen recording. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.